Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by because today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your email marketing success: Mailchimp pricing plans. Maybe you're just starting to build your email list, or maybe you're looking to scale up and aren't sure which plan fits your needs or your budget. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which Mailchimp plan is right for you, what each offers, and how to avoid paying for features you don't need. Alright, let's jump right in, starting with the free plan. This is Mailchimp's entry-level option priced at a big, beautiful $0 per month. It's designed with beginners in mind, so if you're just dipping your toes into email marketing, this could be a great starting point. With the free plan, you can manage up to 500 contacts, which usually means 500 individual people on your email list. You're allowed 1,000 emails sent per month. Think of it as sending 2 newsletters to your whole list, or more if your list is smaller. The tools here are pretty basic. You get a handful of templates and simple sign-up forms just to get you started without feeling overwhelmed. The analytics are limited, so you'll see who's opening your emails and a few basic stats, but don't expect in-depth insights. This is totally fine at the beginning. You get to learn the ropes before worrying about the advanced stuff. If you're unsure about email marketing, there's no harm in starting here. You can always upgrade later. Now, if you're a small business, or maybe your list is starting to grow and you want a bit more control, the Essentials plan is worth considering. Starting at $13 a month, it unlocks quite a few features that make a real difference once you're past the basics. Beyond what's in the free plan, Essentials gives you email scheduling, which is a real game changer. Imagine being able to plan your campaigns ahead of time and have them go out while you sleep. There's also A/B testing, so you can send 2 versions of an email to see which performs better, a fantastic way to fine-tune your strategy. You'll also get a wider range of templates and enhanced branding options, so your emails can really reflect your company's personality. One thing to note here, you can send up to 10 times your contact limit each month, which means more chances to connect with your audience. It's perfect if you're ready to move beyond the absolute basics, but don't yet need the full range of bells and whistles. The standard plan comes next, starting at $20 per month and targeting growing businesses. You get everything from Essentials, plus a set of features that can really help automate and scale your marketing. Probably the biggest addition here is automation, what Mailchimp calls customer journeys, which lets you set up email sequences and automate responses based on customer actions. It's like having a tireless virtual assistant checking in with your subscribers at just the right moments. The analytics here dig a lot deeper, giving you better insights into your campaigns so you can make smarter decisions. Standard also unlocks features like retargeting ads and personalization, which help you reach the right person at the right time, and in a way that feels genuinely tailored. Your monthly sending capacity also increases. Now you can send up to 12 times your contact limit. For most growing businesses, this is the sweet spot. Finally, if you're running a larger business or enterprise-level operation, there's the premium plan, starting at $350 a month. Now that's a big jump in price, but the features cater to organizations managing massive lists and complex marketing strategies. The biggest change is unlimited contacts. That means no more stressing over list size. You also get advanced segmentation tools, allowing you to slice and dice your audience any way you want for hyper-targeted campaigns. Multivariate testing goes beyond A/B, letting you test multiple variations to see what really works. Plus, you get priority support, so if you hit a snag or need advice, you're bumped to the front of the line. And with 15 times the contact limit in monthly sends, even the largest campaigns are covered. And there you have it, a side-by-side walkthrough of all the Mailchimp pricing plans from free to premium. The key takeaway: don't feel pressured to start big. Pick the plan that supports your needs now, knowing you can always upgrade as you grow. If you've still got questions, or if you've had your own experiences with these plans, share your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.